Do you actually know how much each order costs you to ship? Not what you charge your customer, but what you really pay. For most physical product stores, the gap exists on every order. And by the time they realize, it's already cost them thousands. It's a packaging problem. And if you're using FluentCart, there's already a built in way to fix it. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly what it is, why almost every physical product store makes this mistake, and how to get it right before your next order ships. When a carrier like UPS or FedEx processes your package, they don't just weigh it, they measure it as well. This is called dimensional weight pricing. In simple terms, the size of your box matters just as much as what's inside it. Let me break it down with a real example. Say you're selling a hoodie, maybe half a pound on the scale. But if the packaging is bigger than it needs to be, the carrier charges you based on how much space that box takes up, not just the weight. So you charge your customer £5, but you might get charged for 10. And that difference comes straight out of your profit on every order, every single day. And that's exactly the problem if your store doesn't have a consistent packaging system. You use different products, different sizes, but the box gets used again and again. Or worse, whatever box is available. So your shipping costs become unpredictable and your margins slowly start shrinking. This is why your e-commerce setup needs a basic packaging system. Instead of guessing which box to use every time, you define your packaging once or adjust it based on the products you sell. If you're using FluentCart, you can set this up right now. You can create what's called a packaged library, your predefined boxes, envelopes, or soft packaging. Each one has its own dimensions, type, and weight. Then you assign those packages to your products and even to specific variations. Let's walk through it. Go to Settings and open Shipping. Here, you'll see your shipping zones, shipping classes, and right after that, packages. This is where you build your WordPress store's packaging library. Click on Add, and you'll get 3 options. A box is your standard rigid cardboard. An envelope is for flat, thin items like documents, stickers, and small accessories. Soft package is for polymailers, padded bags, anything flexible. Next, we've got dimensions. Enter the length, width, and height. You can switch between units like centimeters and inches depending on what you're used to. Don't skip the empty weight. This is the weight of the packaging itself, not the product, the box. A lot of store owners skip this, but they shouldn't. Because even a basic box has weight. And if you don't include it, your shipping calculations will always be slightly off. It doesn't look like much at first, but across hundreds of orders, it adds up. Give it a recognizable name, something like large priority box or standard hoodie box. This makes it easier to select later. If this is what you use most often, check that default box so the system automatically calculates your rates at checkout. Hit Add Package, and that's it. First package done. The same process applies to soft packages. For envelopes, you'll notice there is no height field. That's intentional. Envelopes are flat, so only length and width apply. Before we assign these to products, I'll quickly set up a few standard box sizes. We really only need a few more to cover more scenarios. And while I do that, make sure you're subscribed to WPManageNinja so you don't miss any updates from us. Alright, the packages are set. Now, let's put them to work. Here's the list of products I'm selling through the FluentCart store. Let's pick one. This product has multiple variations, each one listed on the left side of the editor. Under Shipping, you can easily find packages. Just a click, and you can easily make it part of the package from your packaging library. You can also add the product weight directly from there. Do this for each variation that ships differently. And if none of your existing packages fit, you can create a new one on the spot without leaving the editor. Once it's saved, the variant has its own accurate shipping profile, the right box, and the right weight every time. And that's the whole system. Because every order you ship without accurate packaging data is an order where you're either overcharging a customer or underpaying yourself. And neither of those is a business strategy. With FluentCart, your shipping rates become accurate, your costs become predictable, and your margins stop leaking. If you want to set this up in your store, check the link in the description and get started with FluentCart today. If this was helpful, subscribe to WPManageNinja. We regularly cover FluentCart and the full WordPress e-commerce stack. And I'm curious, are you currently entering package dimensions in your store, or are you still relying on weight alone? Drop a comment below. Your experience might help someone else. Catch you in the next one.